50 words per minute.
Only
Only, kan. So, first of all, we like to just we, as the Kota Malaysia members, I'd like to welcome you all to this exhibition. It meant so much to us that you show your support. And even though Mr. Pang keep mentioning my name, actually it's not about me, it's about Kota Malaysia member itself. So anyone can be a Kota Malaysia member, doesn't matter what brand you're using, even Olympus. And I hope you enjoy. I mean, like, whatever here, that you follow the image being shown here is actually just a very minute amount of the heritage thing that Mark Zuckerberg said earlier. It's up to you to decide what is your own heritage. Instead of let people tell us what to do, what to think, what to say, what to speak, where to live, where to work, so on and so forth. Do your own thing. So one of the things that you can do by your own is you can think freely. So you can think, you decide that this is your heritage, this is the heritage that you want to be known as our heritage, not just me and you, it's ours actually. Then go ahead, record it, document it. You have your camera phones, you have your compact cameras, you have your iPhone, your TV, your DVD, your internet. If you go out and you take photos and you don't show and print them, there's no point. When you switch it off, it's gone. See, even our heritage, I mean, like, people will only realize that it's gone when it's actually gone. So before they are totally gone, go out, make your own heritage. So, if I mean, well, I have nothing more to say. You want to add? You want to discuss? You want to feel strongly about the photos? You feel that it does not need to be included in the exhibition. It's up to you. It's open. Whatever feedback that you have, we appreciate it. And some more, if you like your work, please buy.
Invite the photographers. Invite the photographers up just to invite the photographers up.
Oh yeah, and I would like to invite, may I invite Mr. Sean Tan? Mr. Sean Tan? Oh, well,
One by one.
Okay, Mr. Sean Tan, right? So stand up and be counted. So anyone? Everyone. So this is his work. This is his work. He's 90 years old and this is his work. Alright? Okay, and Mr. Hazmi. Mr. Hazmi? Come up. Mr. Hazmi. Okay. Mr. Hazmi came all the way from Johor.
Wow.
Yeah, just to attend this opening. And somebody is over there. Yeah. And see, that shows that, Kota Malaysia not just either in Subang Jaya or Kajang or Ken or Lim, all over Malaysia. Yeah. And may I invite Mr. Megat Arizal? Say, Mr. Megat? Come on now. Yeah, let's see. Okay. So yeah, I see. Okay. So Megat Arizal works over there. And may I invite Mr. Sorry here. Mr. Can you give me this thing? Oh no, Lisa. Oh, sorry. So, anyone else that I didn't call out? The thing is, say I neglected Mr. Hamidi. Mr. Hamidi. Okay, turn the counter. Mr. Hamidi. Yes. Okay. And the rest that I didn't call. Somebody, come on.
Well, I mean, I'm sure there are other photographers.
Who else?
Take one. Take one.
Oh yeah, right. So sorry to say. Take one. Somebody.
Wow.
No more. I no more.
Shy. Yeah, just shy.
Manu ke? Siapa? Momo. Mana dia?
Where's Momo?
Okay, say, I made a mistake. My mistake was when I asked for submission, I didn't ask the people who submit to add in their nickname as well. So I have no idea whose work is whose. So I only know the real name here. So if I didn't call out the name, I'm so sorry, my bad. Next year we do better lah. Next year. So okay, and well,